Hello guys! So today we're doing something really exciting, and we're building a moving Lego F1 car using just 200 Lego blocks. That's right, I bought these blocks for only $100, and now it's time to turn them into an awesome high-speed Lego F1 car. First, we're starting with the chassis, because that's the strongest and most important part of any race car. It's like the backbone that holds everything together. Once the chassis is done, we'll start shaping the car's body to look just like a real F1 racing beast, adding smooth curves, a sleek front, and those big rear tires for that classic F1 vibe. I'm also planning to add a few creative touches, maybe a small Lego steering system, and some realistic exhaust details to make it look like it's ready to hit the track. The best part? We'll make it move just like a real one, using some simple Lego engineering tricks. So stick around, because by the end of this build, this $100 creation is going to look like it came straight out of a professional Lego F1 set. And trust me, you won't believe how cool this thing turns. Hello guys! So today we're building something truly next level, a moving Lego F1 car made entirely from just 200 Lego blocks worth $100. That's right, and trust me, this one is going to blow your mind. We're starting off with the chassis, the backbone of every race car, strong, balanced, and built to handle speed. Once the base is solid, we'll carefully build up the body to give it that perfect F1 silhouette. But what really makes this build stand out is the color. It's one of the most unique shades I've ever used in an F1 build. It's bright, eye-catching, and gives the whole car a bold personality that no other Lego car has had so far.